their studies or for their jobs or something. And I'm sure the training, whatever he has got in Delhi Technological University, the commitment what they have shown to us, I am sure that wherever they will go, they will glow like anything, and they will benefit not for himself, for his family. Certainly, they will benefit to the society at large. So, first of all, I just look back and remember the old days. He was not running well for few years, uh, past 2 or 3 years. I am not telling that the past presidents or other presidents they have not worked, but whatever the momentum it required, uh, in in between some few years, for few years, that was that was not there. Initially, the momentum was very high when the ski was formed and everything. And I don't know, you don't know what difficulty we faced, because 10 years and 12 years back, you just look, there were very few society in DTU, and whatever the society in DTU was there, they were the sister concern of any big society. And when few students has come to me to open up the society, they wanted to club the society which are running outside of DTU, like in IIT or ASC or anywhere. They wanted to start, or they wanted to join that society. They wanted to start the student chapter of that society. And my vision that time was not that. My vision was that we will have our own society, and we will open our chapters at different places. And certainly we don't mind that if another big society is also there in our student chapter of that society is also there in our university. I don't mind. It is good for us. But our aim was that society should also between the umbrella of ski. So that society should also flourish under the umbrella of ski. But somehow this could not happen. So the different other society has started working. But I tell you, 10 years, 12 years before, the society was there, and we have moved. And I tell you that this is a society which is formed by the approval. It is not that somebody has started a society. So we have taken the approval of that time of directors or principals or vice chancellors, and then we have started. And we used to present them what sort of activities we are going to do it here. But the things have started well in between there, because that time civil and environmental was together. But slowly and slowly the departments breakup is there, है ना, फैमिली जैसे टूट जाती है, टूट गई, दो भाई अलग हो गए, दीवारें खिंच गई, इस तरह का सिस्टम चलता रहा. लेकिन हम लोगों ने दीवार कभी खींचने नहीं दी. सोसाइटी ऑफ सिविल एंड एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग में हम लोगों ने हमेशा ये कोशिश किया कि कोई दीवार खींची ना जाए. कई बार दीवार सामने आते थे, लेकिन हम लोगों ने किसी तरह से मैनेज किया. उसके बाद जब अभिषेक और उसकी टीम काम पे आई, अभिषेक उससे पहले भी बहुत एक्टिव था. जब ही वाज नॉट प्रेसिडेंट, ही वाज वेरी एक्टिव. जो अभिषेक और अभिषेक की टीम सामने आई, उनके साथ ऐसे लोग मिले, ऐसे जूनियर्स मिले, ऐसे इसके साथी मिले जो इसको फिर से बहुत बड़ा मोमेंटम दिया. एंड वी नो दैट जो तुम लोग हो, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनमें बहुत सारा एनर्जी है. यू आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. तुम लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हो, है ना. कहते हैं कि अगर रेत है तो रेत से भी पानी निकाल दो. तुम लोगों में वो ताकत है, वो स्टेमिना है, वो विजन है. लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है, ये चीजें चैनलाइज नहीं होती हैं, लोग अपने अपने डायरेक्शन में चलने लगते हैं. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट आप लोग जितने भी लोग हो, इसकी एनर्जी चैनलाइज है. ऐसे नहीं फालतू चीजों में अपने समय को, अपनी एनर्जी को खराब नहीं करते हो. और जो मुझे एक चीज देखने को मिल रहा है आप लोगों में, व्हाट आई कैन सी इन यू इज दैट हर्ट फॉर आवर सोसाइटी. नॉट सोसाइटी का मतलब ये डीटीयू का इसकी सोसाइटी नहीं. लोग, हमारे समाज के लोग, हमारे दूसरे लोग जो हमसे पीछे छूट गए हैं किसी ना किसी कारणवश, है ना. अगले जन्म में हम क्या बनेंगे हमें भी नहीं पता, लेकिन कुछ हमारे मित्र है, कुछ हमारे दोस्त हैं, कुछ हमारे भाई है, कुछ हमारी बहन है जो हमसे पीछे छूट गई किसी न किसी कारण से, उनको भी खींचने का काम, उनको भी अपने साथ लेने का काम बखूबी किया है सोसाइटी ने। बहुत सारे सोसाइटी के बहुत सारे मेंबर हैं जो एनजीओ में जाकर के एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट फील्ड में जाकर के एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं। तो ये आपका जो कंसर्न है दूसरों के लिए, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अभी क्या है कि आज के युग में कंसर्न की कमी है ना, और कंसर्न की इतनी कमी है कि बच्चे अपने माँ बाप का कंसर्न करते ही नहीं है, तो दूसरों का क्या कंसर्न करेंगे। लेकिन ऐसे समय में तुम लोगों का कंसर्न दूसरों के लिए होना ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है हमें, और मुझे लगता है ये सब आप लोग कंटिन्यू करना, जहां भी जाओ जैसे भी जाओ कंटिन्यू करना। तो भाई ये समय ऐसा है जहां तुम्हें हमें गुड बाय बोलना है, लेकिन ये गुड बाय हम इसलिए नहीं कह सकते हैं कि देयर इज नेवर गुड बाय, वी आर ओपन फॉर यू। तुम्हें कभी किसी तरह की कोई जरूरत हो तो हम लोग तुम्हारे साथ हैं, और यही आशा करते हैं कि जब हमें तुम्हारी जरूरत हो तो तुम हमारे साथ हो, और हमें तुम्हारी जरूरत हो ना हो तुम हमें पूछ करके कभी फोन करके पूछ लेना कि सर मुझे आपको मुझे कोई हमारी कोई जरूरत है क्या, सोसाइटी जो चला रहे हो आप उसको कोई जरूरत है क्या। तो ये अगर करोगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि आप हमें याद रख रहे हो, है ना। मैंने बताया कि बहुत सारा काम इस सोसाइटी ने अभी किया है, और मैं ये कहने वाला हूँ जो आने वाला प्रेसिडेंट है जो अब ज्वाइन किया है हर्षित, इसके लिए समय अब थोड़ा ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, क्योंकि क्या है इन लोगों ने एक्सपेक्टेशंस को थोड़ा हाई कर दिया है। जब एक्सपेक्टेशंस हाई होता है तो जो कमिंग प्रेसिडेंट है, जो कमिंग काउंसिल है, उसके लिए बड़ा डिफिकल्ट समय होगा, क्योंकि हम उनको उसी स्केल से मेजर करना शुरू करेंगे। अभिषेक और उसकी टीम ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, क्योंकि हमारा स्केल थोड़ा छोटा था, अब हमने अपने स्केल को थोड़ा बड़ा कर लिया है। पहले स्केल हमारा 9 इंच वाला था, अब हमने 15 इंच का कर लिया है। अब हर्षित और उसकी टीम के लिए हमारा स्केल जो होगा नहीं होगा, आपने देखा है मीटर मेजरमेंट करने के लिए जो सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन में टेप लेकर मेजर करते हैं, तो हो सकता है इनके लिए अब टेप होगा। तो आने वाले प्रेसिडेंट और उसकी पूरी टीम को मेरी शुभकामना कि वो हमारे टेप को भी छोटा बना दे। आज इन्होंने अभिषेक और उसकी टीम ने स्केल को छोटा बना दिया, और मुझे मेरी आशा है कि जो हर्षित है और हर्षित की टीम है और जो इनमें ताकत है, वो शायद जो मेजरिंग टेप होता है उसको भी छोटा बना देगा। फिर हम सोचेंगे कि हम क्या करेंगे। हमारे पास बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स वगैरह होते हैं, तो भी क्योंकि हम लोग सिविल इंजीनियर को हमें पता है, फिर हम कुछ और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के साथ उसका मेजरमेंट करेंगे। अभिषेक ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, मोहित ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और जितने भी लोग हैं इनके पूरी टीम के साथ, देखो एक एक नाम का नाम लेना उचित नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, लेकिन सारी टीम ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और ये आने वाले टीम के लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। एट द एंड आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू द आउटगोइंग कमिटी मेंबर्स, जो कमिटी मेंबर्स जो असाइनमेंट लेते हैं, आउटगोइंग स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं, और जो वो स्टूडेंट जो दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में हमारे साथ हैं, सबको का फ्यूचर, सबका भविष्य बहुत अच्छा हो, और यहाँ से जाने के बाद हम उन्हें याद करें, उन्हें कभी कोई ज़रूरत हो तो वो हमसे बात करें, उनकी ज़रूरत को हम पूरा करें, और हमें जब उनकी ज़रूरत हो हम उन्हें याद करें, वो हमारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करें, और यहाँ से जाने के बाद समाज में ऐसे दिखें जैसे अलग से लगेगा कि ये डीटीयू का छात्र है, ये स्की का मेंबर रहा हुआ है, वो अलग दिखना चाहिए। कोई देख के बता दे कि भाई ये इसे कुछ शिक्षा अलग मिली है। क्योंकि देखो पढ़ाई लिखाई तो सब जगह होता है, सब लोग पढ़ते हैं, कुछ किताब में जो बातें लिखी हैं वो सब लोग पढ़ते हैं और उसको पढ़ करके आप पास करते हो, लेकिन जीवन का परीक्षा जो है ना, इस किताब की परीक्षा से बहुत अलग होता है ना। तो हमने अपने अपने पढ़ाई लिखाई की परीक्षा को तो पास कर लिया है, और इसी तरह से अब हम अपने जीवन की परीक्षा में भी आए और समाज में एक अपना अभिन्न छाप छोड़े। इसी आशा के साथ मैं अपना पूर्ण विराम देता हूँ, और आगे वाले कार्यक्रम तुम लोग चालू रखो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir, for your insights. We would like to invite our former president, Mr. Abhishek Sharma, to speak a few words about his experience here at SKI.
Good evening, everyone, and His Excellency Professor A.K. Srivastav, sir. Farewell at the same time is a very special day and emotional day for any outgoing student too. For us, I still remember my first day in society and the day when our seniors welcomed us, the orientation day. the things changed gradually, as mentioned by Srivastav sir, that there was a chunk of year, as told by our seniors, that since 2014 to 17, there was a time when the society wasn't so much of active as this is expected by us, because there were many reasons. Many other societies started in DTU. Students got indulged in various other extracurricular activities as well. So the year when we came up at the council of Atul sir, we started up various initiatives under his guidance. Under the thing which I can say is that the passion of the students were constant, and the guidance provided by sir all the time. I still remember in second year we used to have a fear with coming to sir, whether because he was also our professor for geotechnical and RCC, which was one of the toughest. Sir, this was the toughest subject for us during our graduation. But still, by the time this hesitation got low, we started discussing sir with the progress of society. We started education department. We started various initiatives, even the things which people haven't thought yet in this DTU campus. We started that initiatives in our council. This past year, though it was a COVID, that was a pandemic time, but still we started our chapters in 4 other universities as well. We intended to start our IGTS chapter, Indian Geotechnical Society chapter. There are many initiatives taken by the complete team. I can't mention the single name because this was done by each, and the contribution was immense by each and everyone. So yeah, thank you so much to the all the juniors, to all the members who came up with us, who came up with the whole spirit. And the thing is that the show must go on, and I have full expectation with the newly formed council under the presidency of Harshit that they will take this over by the time, and ski will have a shining years in the coming time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We also have with us our president for this academic year, Mr. Harshit Sharma. We would like to invite him to speak a few words.
Our faculty advisors, sir, Abhishek sir, members of previous and current council, and all other members of SKI present today. I welcome all of you to the 11th felicitation of Society for Civil and Environmental Engineers. Last year obviously has been a tremendous leap for us in terms of making a move. Under the guidance of our president, Abhishek sir, we witnessed an unforeseen growth in Society for Civil and Environmental Engineers. All of us present here must have seen the annual report that we released last week. It presented the statistical growth of the society in a year, but I think during the past year, what really has changed is the holistic approach of the society. I remember when I joined the society, the first concern that we used to think of while organizing anything was if we have enough human resources to conduct something. And to be honest, we didn't have it. We were a very small group of students in a big society, which used to actually work, as the proverb says, too many chiefs, but not many Indians. But I think during the previous academic year, everything has drastically changed for good. We now have a full-fledged team segregated by specializations and seniors mentoring them. Abhishek sir, a lot that was only thought to be done has been done this year, and your legacy will continue to be with us even after you have left the college. And this goes out for every batchmate of yours who had put their heart and soul into making SKI what it is today. Thank you so much for all the memories. Thanks for the agreements, disagreements, and the parties. I've had 1,000s of conversation with you and hundreds of disagreements with you. But it still does not change the fact that you have always been a senior that's very close to me and have always been reachable for me, no matter what the situation is. I remember the moment our council was formed last year, we were very skeptical about our college reopening. We saw how every society was waiting for the college to reopen, but it was only us who decided to take up the online mode and continue our process. And looking back at it now, I think I would call that decision way ahead of its time. And with this note, I would like to end my address. And yes, you will always be my president. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words. Without any further ado, let's commence our extravaganza. I would request all of you to hold on to your screens for the next segment of the farewell. With that being said, I would like to invite Ishank to share with us a reminiscent yet successful performance.
मैं ईशांक सिंह असैनिक अभ्यंतरण से आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करता हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है पुराने लम्हे फिर याद आए। सब यारों का याराने दिल को फिर याद आए, वह बीते पुराने लम्हे दिल को फिर याद आए, वह पहला दिन वह पहली सी बातें, आज वह दोस्त सब बिछड़े तो लम्हे वह फिर याद आए। देखा था जिन्हें कभी अजनबी सा हमने, आज वही खास इतने की किसी को क्या बताएं। वो यारों की महफिल, वो किताबों के ढेर, वो रातों के रत जगह, वो क्लासरूम में सब ढेर। देखा आज उस क्लासरूम की तरफ तो वह दोस्त मुस्कुराते बड़े याद आए। अब यही कुछ दिन है, कुछ दिन की सोहबत, बिछड़ोगे सब ऐसे कि हर मुस्कान को याद आए। कोई इस शहर, कोई उस शहर, कोई इस गली, कोई उस गली, निकलेंगे सब इस राह से बहरागीर याद आए। दिल टूटा यह सोचकर कितनों को आखिरी दफा देखेंगे, यही बात दिल को चुभी की जख्म आग पर दिखाई आए। यही तो जिंदगी है जो आगे बढ़ी अपने मुकाम से, शुरुआत है अभी न जाने कितनों के जाने आए। जिंदगी का सबसे फेवरेट चैप्टर पढ़ने का दिल करता है, बस एक बार वापस कॉलेज लाइफ में लौटने का दिल करता है। आज हर वो बात याद आती है, बुरी और अच्छी बातें याद आती हैं, कुछ बातें जो दिल की बातें हैं, मगर आज उन दोस्तों को दिल से बहुत हर्ट करते हैं। अब की बार क्लास अटेंड करने का मन करता है, दोपहर की क्लास में आंख बंद कर लेने का मन करता है। एग्जाम टाइम के वो हंसी मजाक याद आते हैं। कुछ दोस्त एग्जाम नाइट में रात भर खाया करते थे, तो कुछ फोन पर चैट करके फ्यूचर प्लानिंग बनाया करते थे, और फिर सुबह उठकर कहते यार थोड़ा गैप और मिल जाता तो ज्यादा पढ़ लेते। धन्यवाद।
Great, Ishank. It indeed made us believe we are on a roller coaster ride of our college memories. So, not spoiling the mood with any delays, let's move ahead to the next segment. Over to Mihika and Umair.
Thank you, Manvi and Astha. To all the seniors, you guys have been an enormous source of support and inspiration for us. And we can never forget the things that you have done. Although we have this farewell virtually, we have left no stone unturned and put all the efforts to make this day a memorable one. So we'll start with a small round of Never Have I Ever game. I'll wait for the seniors to get any drink, water bottle, a glass of water, anything. It could be water. You just have to take a sip if you have done the task. So I'll just wait for you guys to turn on the camera and get something to drink for yourself. I mean, yeah. Just let me know when everybody is ready. Shall we start? I mean, anybody can, and you guys can unmute yourself. It's a fun game. It's an interactive game. What's up?
I am also included in that. Shall I also bring?
Of course, you can get anything.
But the bottles will be either water or juice.
Anything will work. You just have to take a sip if you have done it. Yeah. So I'll start. We'll wait for Srivastava sir to come back.
Okay, now you can start. I got it.
Okay. So, never have I ever joined a society because of someone else. Like if somebody else was joining, you just join the society for that person. Nobody has done it. Okay. Never have I ever lied on my resume.
Mayank sir. Hi sir.
Have you ever lied on your resume? If you have, you just have to take a sip.
Okay, there we go. Never have I ever slept in a class. So everybody must have done it at some point in their life. Shrivastava sir is drinking. Okay. So never have I
First time
ever.
I slept. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Never have I ever been chucked out of the class, like by some professor or any teacher, thrown out of the class. Never have I ever consumed an illegal substance. I would not want anybody to drink, but yeah, let's see. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Never have I ever failed a test in college. Awesome. Never have I ever got supply in any subject. This a lot of people must have got. Never have I ever spoke back to a professor. Let's see who has done this. Okay, I mean, that's all for Never Have I Ever game. Moving forward, we'll have a rapid fire round. Over to Umair.
I want to know how many persons have slept in my class, because during the online I could not see it. Most of the students are sleeping except Akansha, because I keep on asking her that, because she is a class representative, so you always used to ask her everything is okay or not. I make her awaken, but I don't know others are sleeping or what. And that's why Abhishek is telling that my subjects are difficult.
Sir, in offline classes, I can assure you, the way you teached and the way you were active in the class, nobody can ever think of sleeping.
There is no doubt. There is no doubt, sir. Abhishek is absolutely right. Nobody can sleep in your class.
That's good.
The persona that sir has, I mean, I don't think it'll be possible for anybody to sleep in his class. Moving forward, we have our rapid fire round. Over to Umair.
We bring an interactive activity for tonight, rapid fire questions followed by a small fun task. The following are the set of instructions for the activity. Each individual will be asked 3 rapid questions. The individual is not allowed to pause for more than 5 seconds. For the small task, the individual will be given a brief time to read and prepare for the small task. The individual will be given a time frame to perform the task. So firstly, I would like to invite Ashish sir for the rapid fire. Ashish sir, please come forward.
Question will be on the screen. What?
No, sir, I will dictate it.
Okay.
Ashish sir, I think he's not there.
भाग गया वो, तुमने क्वेश्चन का हम ये इसलिए भाग गया वो, कह देगा कि लॉस हो गया. You are here. तो फिर बताओ ना.
Okay, Ashish sir, your first question is, are you a morning person or a night owl?
What did you say? Can you repeat it?
Okay, so who's the most famous person you have ever met? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You have to answer in 5 seconds only. So he will move to the other questions. So you have passed your 2 questions. Now the third question. Third and last question for you.
Okay, so the last question for you is, what is your favorite memory at ski?
Event Aman Tarwal event.
That's good.
Oh, that's great. Okay, sir. So, sir, for you, the task is,
For me, simple questions. Otherwise,
you have to imitate a fellow member of ski and make us guess him or her.
Come out once again. I said for me, simple questions. Otherwise, I will ask difficult question in your exam.
Sure, sir, sure.
Sir, if you remember, Ashish was the most sincere student of our batch.
Yeah. Ashish is more sincere. Batao, Amar, what is your question?
Yes, so Ashish sir, your task is you have to imitate a fellow ski member and you have to make us guess him or her.
Sketch. Do I
You
have to make a sketch?
imitate him, sir.
Actually, I don't have
No,
copy pen.
you have to enact, not make a sketch, but you have to just enact.
Sir,
Yes.
you have to imitate him. You have to act like him. Or you have to say a sentence like him.
Anything. It will be anything, a phrase that the person uses the most, anything would work.
But one person, you should not give more than 3 questions. Otherwise, you will not finish. You are always targeting
Yes,
to
sir.
last only. आशीष बहुत भोला है, बहुत सीधा लड़का है ये, और अच्छा लड़का है.
Anybody else would like to volunteer for this task?
आप सीनियर्स को लो ना, तो जा रहे हैं. उनसे question
Abhishek
पूछो.
sir,
हाँ, अभिषेक से पूछो.
what you said?
से पूछो, मैंग से पूछो.
I think I would like to pass it out to Mayank.
What is the question?
So you have
So
to
you have
imitate a ski member, and we'll just guess who he or she is.
Basically, I have to imitate someone
Imitate somebody from the society.
Yes.
from the society. अरे सर आप कैसी बात कर रहे हो सर? आप ही तो थे सर.
I mean, anybody would want to say who he is trying to imitate?
He's trying to imitate Abhishek, sir.
Acha.
That was an easy one.
Okay. Now we move forward with our rapid fire. Aviral sir, the questions are for you.
Yeah.
You can unmute yourself. Okay. So the first question is, what would you choose, online semester or an offline semester?
Offline semester any day.
Any day, yeah. If you had to choose perpetually a cold or hot place to live, what would you choose?
Sorry, I couldn't catch your question.
If you had to choose a perpetually cold or hot place to live, what would you choose?
Cold or hot? I'll prefer cold.
You prefer cold?
Yeah,
Okay.
after 4 years in Delhi.
Yeah. What is your favorite IPL team?
Mumbai Indians.
My Indians. And which was your favorite event that was conducted by Ski?
So, like, I was not part of the society. I would like to mention that first. But, like, I have known closely that Abhishek has worked on a lot of events. So, I guess the Aman Dhattarwal event, which was, I think, hugely publicized in college. So, that was one of the biggest events organized by C. So, that would be the one.
So, what advice did you get that was the most rewarding
What advice did I get? Which was the most rewarding?
in life in general?
Oh, that's a tough one. I would say just be patient and be persistent. That would be the advice. Yeah.
Okay, so we have a small task for you. This is an English translation of a Hindi song. You have to guess it and then sing the song. The evening is lively. It is getting me intoxicated. A string is pulling me towards you.
I'm
It's
not good with
an old Hindi song.
Sham hai Suhani, something like that, huh? I'm
What?
not.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Some hint. I'm not good with old Hindi songs.
Okay, I'll give you a keyword. Mastani. Mastani is the keyword.
Mastani. Sham hai Mastani, something like that.
हाँ. Wait.
Sham hai Mastani. After that, it's getting me intoxicated.
नशे में जहाँ है,
हाँ,
नशे में जहाँ है,
नशे में जहाँ है. Sir,
नशे में
I
जहाँ
think
है.
sir, you will be the one who will be guessing this. I am not doing this song.
I'm just helping you. The question is for you, not for me.
If anybody else knows, they can unmute yourself and just sing it for everybody.
ये शाम मस्तानी मधोश किए जाए.
You have to sing it as well.
I am not going to sing it. Answer मिल रहा है बहुत है तुम्हारे लिए.
चलो बोलो.
मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, she has answered it for me.
You got spare this time. Okay. Next we have our rapid fire. We'll continue with that.
Okay, so next I would like to invite Srivastav sir. Sir, can you please come forward? Okay, so sir, your first question is, do you prefer online shopping or shopping at a store?
I don't like any shopping. I tell you, because none of this is the answer. है ना, हमारे घर में तो झगड़ा हो जाता है इसी बात पे. अगर मैं चला गया शॉपिंग में ना, उस दिन हमारा और हमारी वाइफ का बहुत झगड़ा होता है. I don't like shopping. मुझे लगता है वो सब मूर्ख है जो वहाँ बाजार में जाके घूम रहे हैं, है ना. आदमी के लिए 2 कपड़े और थोड़े से खाने पीने बहुत सफिशिएंट है. तो आई डोंट लाइक इट.
सर इकोनॉमी ठप हो जाएगी इस हिसाब से. तो
है क्या ठप हो जाएगी?
इकोनॉमी ठप हो जाएगी इस हिसाब से. तो
इकोनॉमी कोई टफ नहीं होती. इकोनॉमी तुम्हारे शॉपिंग से नहीं चल रहा. देखो जो शॉपिंग कर रहे हो, है ना, शॉपिंग वाले कोई आपको हेल्प करने के लिए अभी नहीं आ रहे हैं. आप जो इनकम टैक्स पेयर है ना, जो इनकम टैक्स पे कर रहे हैं ना, उससे आपका काम चल रहा है. एनीवे, ये इट इज माय व्यू. मुझे शॉपिंग बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं है. फ्रॉम सिंस माय चाइल्डहुड, जब मैं बच्चा था तो हमारे माताजी पिताजी, फिर मेरे भैया मेरे लिए कपड़े वपड़े भी वही लाते थे. और जब शादी हो गया तो हमारी वाइफ लेके आती है और हमें जो देती है हम वो पहन लेते हैं.
Okay, so sir, your second question is, what is the first place you will visit after this pandemic?
यार हम लोगों को बाहर विदेश जाने का बहुत इच्छा है, यूरोप. क्योंकि हमारी बिटिया अभी 10th में थी तो उसको कहा था कि यूरोप चलेंगे हम लोग. इसके मामा यूरोप में है. तो अब देखो कहाँ जा पाते हैं, लेकिन इच्छा यूरोप जाने की है.
Oh, that's great, sir. So sir, your last question is, what's the best thing that happened to you at DTU?
हमने स्की को बनाया. दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कुड डू इट. एंड मुझे बहुत फख्र होता है इस बात का कि इसकी से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. मतलब तुम लोगों ने हमसे क्या सीखा है मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन तुम लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करके पिछले 10-15 साल में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. और ये सब जो भावना जागी है ना, जो समाज की मैं बात करता हूँ, वो तुम लोगों से जागी है. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं बचपन से ही ऐसा था, या जब मैं पढ़ाई करता था तो मेरे समाज के लिए मुझे इतनी वो था. आई वॉज ऑल्सो सेल्फ सेंट्रिक. मैं अपने पढ़ाई लिखाई में लगा रहता था, या जो भी काम है, मतलब मैं किसी और के विषय में कुछ भी नहीं सोचता था. तो ये चीजें जो है ये इसकी से आई है, प्लस कुछ पेरेंट्स से आई है. मतलब बेसिक रोल तो पेरेंट का है, वो उनसे देख करके जो सीखा. लेकिन इतना ज्यादा चीज जो है इसकी से, तो इसकी बना और इसकी फॉर्म हुआ, ये दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग.
Okay, sir. So, sir, your task will be, sir, you have to say the following tongue twister 5 times in 25 seconds. Sir, tell me when you're ready. I will start this talk.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, sir. Your time starts now.
No, what I have to say?
So you have to say the following tongue twister 5 times, sir, in under 25 seconds.
Okay. So what is that tongue twister you just tell me?
Sir, it is presented
So you
on
can
screen.
see it on the screen.
I'm not getting in the screen. Anything? अच्छा डाली पे लगी वाली.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कितना टाइम बोलना, फिर चश्मा पहन लो ना. मैं कितने बार बोलना है?
Sir, 25 seconds. 5 times, 25 seconds.
5 times.
डाली पर नजर डाली, किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली. जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली, वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली. डाली पे नजर डाली, किसने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली. जिस डाली पे मैंने नजर डाली, वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली. डाली पे नजर किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली। जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली। डाली डाली पर नजर डाली, किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली। जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली। डाली डाली पर नजर डाली, किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली। जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली। शायद 5 हो गया होगा।
यस सर, हो गया।
कितने समय में हुआ?
30 seconds. You took 5
अरे
seconds
यार,
extra.
कोई बात नहीं, बुरा भी तो रहा हूँ।
Next, we have Raghav sir. I'd like to call Raghav sir for the rapid fire round.
Yeah, hi.
Okay. So here we go. So your first question is, what is your dream car?
I think a Tesla Model X.
That's pretty awesome. What movie has everyone else seen but you haven't?
कुछ कुछ होता है.
You haven't seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai? That's really sad.
I haven't seen many Bollywood movies.
Hmm. What is your dream job?
Actually, my dream job is an environmental engineer. अगर आप पूछो तो, it is my
That's
only
pretty
dream job.
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. What advice did you get that was the most rewarding?
Do not upgrade your branch. Stay in environmental engineering.
I think that advice you can give it to your juniors as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have a small task for you. What is it? Let's see. Okay. So you have to count backwards from 100 and multiples of 3 within 30 seconds.
Okay. I'll start. 99, 96, 93, 90, 87, 84, 81, 78, 75, 72, 69, 66, 63, 60, 57, 54, 51, 48, 45, 42, 39, 36, 33, 26, 33, 30, 27, 24, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0.
That's awesome. And you did it like before 30 seconds. That's pretty great. Okay. Moving forward with our rapid fires. Who do we
Thank you
have
so much.
next? Umair?
Yes, so next I would like to invite Sapna ma'am. Ma'am, can you please come forward?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So your first question is, would you rather dine in at a restaurant or do delivery at your home?
Delivery at my home.
Okay. What is the last book that you read?
I read the last book I read was Water Engineering, Wastewater Engineering by S.K. Garg. Actually, I was
Okay.
preparing for my
And
gate for that.
okay. So last question is, what's the first thing you will do once the world is free of the pandemic?
I will surely visit DTU Sports Campus because I have had many memories there. So I will visit DTU.
Okay. That would be my same, like even I haven't seen the campus yet.
Okay.
Okay, so ma'am, your task will be,
Okay.
you have to create all letters of the alphabet with your fingers within 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay.
C. Yes. And Z नहीं बनेगा. Sorry, Z नहीं बनेगा. I just skipped some letters.
It was so
Okay,
cool
that-
of you to actually do it, ma'am. It's pretty awesome. And you did it really well. Okay. Next up for the rapid fire, we have Mohit sir. Mohit sir, if you can unmute yourself. Do we have Mohit sir? I guess we don't have him yet.
We
So
don't have him, but actually he's not well today. He's suffering from COVID, so I think there was some issue with him. So we can switch to next one.
okay. Next we have Mehak ma'am for the rapid fire round.
Hey guys.
Hi. Thank you. So your first question is, what do you like more, texting or talking?
I think talking.
Talking. What is your dream car?
Dream car. I'm not really into, I don't know much about cars, but I think maybe I would like to experience sitting in a Ferrari once at least.
All of us do.
Yeah.
The next question is, which class have you bunked the most?
Bunked the most. I think I have bunked one of my elective the most. I had taken up a PCT elective, so it was at 7:38 in the morning. So yeah, I couldn't get up.
Okay. Any particular skill that you would recommend everyone to learn?
Any particular skill? I would say communication. That is the most important skill. You should be very confident with what you are saying, and you should be very clear so that the other person is able to get what you're saying. So that is one of the most important skills required for any university interview, for any college interview, or any job interview. So yeah, communication.
Okay. We have a small task for you. Okay, so this is another tongue twister. You have to say it like 5 times in 25 seconds.
Okay. मरहम भी गए मरहम के लिए मरहम ना मिला हमदम से गए हमदम के लिए हमदम ना मिला मरहम भी गए मरहम के लिए मरहम ना मिला हमदम से गए हमदम के लिए हमदम ना मिला मरहम भी गए मरहम के लिए मरहम ना मिला हम दम से गए हमदम के लिए हमदम ना मिला मरहम भी गए मरहम के लिए मरहम ना मिला हम दम से गए हमदम के लिए हमदम ना मिला. Is 5 times over?
Yeah, thank you so much. It was really sporting of you to do that.
Yeah.
So next, I would like to invite Abhishek sir. Sir, can you please come forward? Abhishek sir, are you there in the call?
Sorry?
Yes, sir. So your first question would be, what's your favorite sport?
Cricket, no doubt.
What is better, certificates or experience?
Experience, any day.
What advice did you get that was the most rewarding?
CGPA, don't compromise with your CGPA.
Okay. So, sir, for you, the task will be, so this song is translated in English of a Hindi song. You have to guess which song is this, and you have to sing it.
I think it's Jatta Ka Choda.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Right, sir.
I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
that song.
right, it is that. You can sing it if you want.
अभिषेक भाई गाना होता है.
हाँ, you can sing it.
Sir, you have to sing it. Yes, sir.
Come on, it's your farewell. You can just sing it once.
हरियाणा के खेता में सोना उगलेगा रेता में खिल खेल कबड्डी कुश्ती का तू देख नजारा चुस्ती का दुनिया में सबसे न्यारा जट्टा का छोरा. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir, for being so sporting. Now I think we have, I'd like to call Astha to take forward the event. Thank you everyone
Mika
for
and Amir.
participating. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank you, Mika and Amir. You guys helped us forget our daily stresses with your fun-filled activities. Over to Meera and Shailendra for the final segment of today.
Thank you, Asta. Every experience in our life is being orchestrated to teach us something we need to know to move forward. Having said this, we are all ears to traverse through each of your adventurous journeys in ski and DTU as you proceed to share them with all of us present here. Ashish sir, we would now love to reminisce on your nostalgia in ski as well as DTU. Over to you, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Actually, there was a mic issue from my side, that's why I took a time. Actually, what did you give a task to me?
No, sir, we want you to share your experiences of ski and DTU with us.
In a second year, I joined a new scheme. From that day, I think in the starting I was not confirmed that what's the purpose of the society and all. But after joining here, I really come to know it's must to join a society. I think because this give a platform to improve a few of the school skills like a communication skills and your public speaking. If you also go out, if you join a society and get a chance to perform any task at a particular platform, so it will improve your skills like that, and it's really gonna help you in your interview and the other thing as well. Because like in interview, you also speak with a random person also, so it will also help you in improve your communication and the fear of what other will think, what you when you see, like the things it will helps in improve. I think it's from my side. That I learned from the society.
It was very interesting to listen your experience, sir. We now have Mayank sir before us to share his insightful experience in DTU.
Well, I am the oldest member of the society. I've been there from 4 years, and I just work with Atul sir, and then our Mr. Ankush Sharma and Manish Bhaiya came in society. They just taught us a lot of things. We indulged with a lot of events, and yeah, I got the chance to learn from him. And this was the best moment of my life. And one day I also got got a fight with Mr. Abhishek Sharma. We were just going to hit each other. That was really the best moment and one of the worst moment of the society. And this all happened after the event. And and in the third year, when I just got the chance to work in USIP to teach in school, I didn't get much indulged with the society and with the student. Abhishek Sharma lead the society, and after that, now we are in 4 years, got stuck in this lockdown and just talking in online mode. Yeah, this all from my side. I don't think is there something. This is all. Yeah.
Yeah, it was good hearing to your experience, sir. Mehak ma'am, now it's your time to take us for a walk down through your memory lane in DTU.
Okay, hey guys. So I'm not a part of ski exactly, but it is lovely interacting with you all. It was an amazing time being here at DTU, being a part of societies and working for your grades and applying to grad school. It has been a very exciting journey, but it was really nice having to interact with you all. And especially the last webinar that you guys organized, it was very well organized. And thank you for having us over.
Felt great listening to you, ma'am. Would like to get a few glimpses from your experience in DTU and ski. Aviral sir.
Hi everyone, very good evening to all of you. So yeah, like Mehak, I also was not a part of ski, but like I think each of us, whether we join any society in DTU, experience the same things. Whether it be interaction with the seniors or connecting with your juniors, I think we all go through the same experience regardless of society we join. So it was the same case for me. I was a very shy kid when I came into college, and I didn't have my any idea how to go about the journey of the next 4 years. But I think as I joined many societies, I got to know about the seniors and all the juniors, and I'm glad that finally, I couldn't join ski in my first or second year, but like I'm glad that as my college journey is coming to the end, coming to an end, I am able to interact with all my juniors here, from the first year to the third year, and also with my fellow batchmates. So I'm thankful that one gap in my college journey, which was interacting with juniors of my own department, was left out. And I think today you guys have organized this and made this last gap complete in my journey. And I would like to wish you all the best for whatever you aspire to be. And that's it from my side. Thank you for inviting me and all of us.
We are also grateful to having been able to interact with you, sir. Next, we are elated to have Raghav, sir, among us. Please share with us your words of wisdom from your experiences in DTU, sir.
Yeah, hello everyone. So I would completely agree to Avril in the fact that I was also quite shy when I graduated my 12th grade. But I really could find myself in college as I progressed through the years. I remember my first week when I used to get lost often on the campus. But now I'm looking forward to getting lost in my next campus, which is going to be in the US. So I've developed as an individual, I've developed really good social skills in college, interacting with my peers, and especially our teachers have really guided us through the entire process of becoming an environmental engineering engineer. And would really like to thank Ski for organizing this, especially for people who are not the part of a society like me, Avril and Mehak. That really makes me happy connecting with you all, first year, second years, third years of our department. It's really a great experience being here with you all. Thank you so much for doing this for us.
It was indeed a pleasure to listen to you, sir. Now we would love to hear from you of your roller coaster ride in ski. Over to you, Abhishek, sir.
So the memories are there are a lot of memories with the society. Since second year, tirelessly working ahead with under the guidance of Manish, Ankush, Shivendra sir, taking various guidance related to departmental activities, events which we conducted during the second year itself. The major turnout was in the third year. When we entered in the third year, the uh, responsibilities were more, and we fortunately had a couple of juniors working with us who tirelessly worked us with having each and every day with us. The most memorable day I remember was the Aman Dhattarwal event. Eventually, the idea of conducting that event was uh, we were just having talks over the canteen that we should ask him to visit DTU, or the situation came up that we had to conduct that in the open air theater. And historically, that was the jam packed session in the open air theater. Further, after that, there were various other opportunities which we led, and various initiatives which we took in the society. This pandemic year, everything was memorable for us. So that's it.
It was indeed very intriguing listening to your fond memory in ski as well as DTU, sir. If any of you seniors over here are excited to share your DTU journey with us, you are most welcome. We are all ears. You could please come forward and share your experience. Anyone?
Ma'am, we would love to hear your experience.
Okay, if we have none, then it's time we move on. So thank you so much for sharing your memorable experiences with us. Hope we were successful in getting you nostalgic. Over to you, Manvi.
Thank you, Meera. Thank you, Shailendra. As we near towards the end of this farewell, it was indeed an amalgamation of entertainment and memories for life. As we say goodbye, we remind ourselves that farewells are simply words to say that we'll remember you fondly and will miss you dearly. Although we are separated by time and distance, nothing will diminish the important roles you have played in our society. We wish you happy adventures, fantastic new friendships, amazing experiences, and a journey of a lifetime. But before we fare thee well, let's have a look at a wonderful journey at DTU with a glimpse of some touching words by us juniors and the society members.
सभी को हमारा नमस्कार। आज आप में से बहुत लोग ग्रेजुएट होकर के अपने लाइफ में यूनिवर्सिटी डीटीयू से बाहर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में काम करना शुरू करोगे। कुछ लोग हायर स्टडीज़ में जाएंगे, कुछ लोग जॉब में जाएंगे, कुछ लोग अपना काम को स्टार्ट करेंगे। लेकिन मैं ये ज़रूर कह सकता हूँ कि इसकी से आप लोगों का एसोसिएशन आप लोगों को समाज के लिए कुछ करने के लिए ज़रूर हमेशा प्रेरित करेगा। और सोसाइटी में हम किस तरह से काम करते हैं और सोसाइटी से हमने क्या लिया है और सोसाइटी को हमें क्या देना है, जो हमने डीटीयू में जो स्कीम में रहते हुए आप लोगों ने सीखा है, उसका सोसाइटी को एट लार्ज काफ़ी बेनिफिट मिलेगा। बहुत सारे लोग अभी ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं। जो प्रेसिडेंट है अभिषेक, मुझे पता है बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम में ये प्रेसिडेंट बना और इसकी को एक नई ऊंचाई तक लेकर के गया। इसके समय में बहुत सारे ऐसे काम हुए जो बड़े सराहनीय रहे, जो कुछ ऐसे काम भी रहे जो हमेशा हम सोचते रहे थे क्योंकि इसकी एक पुरानी सोसाइटी है, ये हमें करना चाहिए। या तो अभिषेक ने उस काम को करके दिखाया है या उन्होंने एक ऐसा पाथ क्रिएट किया है जिससे ये काम अब उनके जूनियर्स करके दिखाएंगे। एक बहुत अच्छा ट्रेंड करंट जो इसकी डीटीयू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काउंसिल 2020-2021 का था, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, बहुत सारे फील्ड में अच्छे काम किए और ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक भी इन लोगों का काम बहुत सराहनीय रहा। जब सारे काम ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो गए थे तब भी इन्होंने अपना काम करना बंद नहीं किया। ये अभिषेक का गाइडेंस, अभिषेक का डिटर्मिनेशन, अभिषेक की मैच्योरिटी, इतने कम उम्र में ही इज वेरी मैच्योर एंड आई विश ऑल द सक्सेस टू हिम इन हिज लाइफ। और मैं ये भी जरूर कहूँगा कि जो भी इसकी के स्टूडेंट हैं, ये आज ग्रेजुएट होकर के बाहर जा रहे हैं, दूसरे इंस्टीट्यूट में जाएंगे, दूसरे फील्ड में जाएंगे, दूसरे जॉब में जाएंगे, वो हमें ना भूलें और हम उन्हें ना भूलें, ये हमेशा हम रखेंगे। इसी तरह से जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट रहा मोहित, या आपकी जनरल सेक्रेटरी हो गए विशाल कुमार मैम, आपके टेक हेड्स हो गए, टेक प्रोजेक्ट्स के हेड हो गए, जो ट्रेजरर हो गया, सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, बड़े समन्वय के साथ काम किया है। क्योंकि देखो, किसी सोसाइटी को चलाना बहुत इजी काम नहीं है, सोसाइटी को चलाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है। बहुत सारी कठिनाई इन लोगों के सामने आई और हर कठिनाइयों का इन लोगों ने बड़ा डट करके जवाब दिया और सोसाइटी को हमेशा सोसाइटी को सबसे आगे रखा और सोसाइटी को चलाने का काम किया। हम इन लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं और मैं हमेशा कहूँगा कि अगर तुम लोगों के किसी काम में कभी भी आ सकूँ तो जस्ट कॉल मी और हम हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ नजर आएंगे। और उसी तरह से ये अपेक्षा करते हैं कि जो ग्रेजुएटेड स्टूडेंट यहाँ से जा रहे हैं वो जब यहाँ से चले जाएं तो जाने के बाद भी हमें याद रखें और हमें आपकी जब ज़रूरत हो और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को आपकी ज़रूरत हो तो आप अपना मार्गदर्शन करते रहें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Abhishek sir, Mohit sir, Ashish sir, and everyone who is passing out this year. It was a great experience to work alongside you in ski and also in other departmental activities. You people have always been very supportive and have always given your juniors new opportunities and everything that they can cherish. And I wish all of you all the best for whatever you're up to after your graduation. And thank you so much for your tenure in ski and also acting as a mentor, as a guide for every point of my career in DTU. Thank you so much.
Someone has rightly said that two hardest things to say in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. When we came in as wide-eyed students, you provided us everything we needed to know to excel here. Your guidance, tutorial and advice helped us to build our confidence. Being in college felt like being home because of you all. It gives me great joy to share just how fortunate we are to have met such caring, loving, friendly and humble seniors. Wishing you good luck, sound health, unending success and all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you for everything. Miss you.
Thank you so much to all the seniors for their devotion in the society. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Congratulations once again and good luck.
Congratulations to the seniors. It was wonderful working under your guidance and you guys always showed us the right path. The good things told by you and your contributions towards the society will always be remembered. Thank you for everything and best of luck for your future.
We are very sad to bid you farewell and you all will be dearly missed. But we are very happy for the bright opportunities that lie ahead of you and all the best for your future.
Hi everyone. So the time has finally come to bid farewell to our seniors and I'd really like to thank all of them from the bottom of my heart for always inspiring and guiding us. And without you all, it wouldn't have been possible for ski to achieve what it has been. So in the end, I'd like to congratulate you all and I wish you all the success and happiness in this new page of your life. Farewell.
Well, I'd like to congratulate all the seniors. They've all got great placements and I've seen you all work very hard to take ski to another levels. So I am a part of ski since the very beginning. My name is Jaik and I'll wish all the seniors congratulations and lots of success for life ahead. And it's finally time to bid you all a farewell. We all will try to take ski to another heights like you all have.
Hello everyone. I would like to congratulate all the seniors for the association. They are very important role in a children's life. They direct us from what to do and what not to do on a day-to-day basis in college. I wish all of seniors heartily congratulations and best of luck for the future. Keep growing and I achieve all your goals in your life. Thank you.
A big thank you to all the fourth years who have constantly helped us, mentored us, and we wish you all the very best for your upcoming future. Our best wishes are with you.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to congratulate our seniors for their graduation. Also, I would really like to thank them as they made it possible for us to get some great experiences and get some exposure through various events. And I will finally wish them best of luck for their future. Hope they achieve all their goals.
So the year full of challenges, your guidance, dedicated all the best.
Congratulations all the seniors and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
वो और माय सीनियर्स यार बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला आप लोगों से. अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाए, बाय बाय गुड बाय फेयरवेल नहीं बोल पाए, बट लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू गाइस यार. स्टिल इंस्पायर अस. बहुत सारे ऐसे जूनियर्स हैं जिनको आप लोगों ने सही रास्ता दिखाया है. मी बीइंग वन. हैप्पी फेयरवेल गाइस. आई मिस यू अ लॉट.
Respected seniors, you have my sincere gratitude for helping me and guiding me during hardships. You were there when I needed help and you showed kindness towards me. Thank you. And congratulations on your graduation. May your life be filled with success and achievements.
was indeed very heartwarming, all of us being together and filling the evening with our glees and giggles. Finally, we would like to call Harshit sir for giving the vote of thanks.
Okay, so thank you so much for being present here for the last 1 hour. I think whatever has been organized, it's just tremendous to see it. In fact, as a third year student, I feel like it's my farewell. It was so close and so well organized. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone from fourth year who has joined us today. And we will obviously miss you a lot. And we are going to text you to ask your address after this today. And we have something very special for you coming by. So thank you so much. And thank you to every first year who has helped us to organize this event. I mean, you won't believe that we collected all this and organized all of it in just 2 days. So kudos to the team of the first years who have, done a fabulous job. Not that I think, but rather I'm convinced to say that the society has a great future under students like them. So thank you so much for joining, and we wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Without everyone here, this occasion would not have even been half the fun it should have been. And we hope this day has become the one which our seniors will cherish for their lifetime. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, and all the best.
Thank you, guys. Very well managed. Thank you.